I'm sweating because I have on plastic thing. Anyway, it's hot. That big old light. Whew. Okay. No makeup on. Yeah. My hair looking a hot mess. Let's get back to the door. I'm seeing myself in the mirror and I'm like, God darn, I look a mess. But anyway. This is your girl Tara Love Diva and welcome to my channel. This is another move-in DIY project. What I've done was I changed my door locks because I wasn't feeling a little safe, because it feels like anybody can take a credit card and swipe through my door and open it for some odd reason. That's what it feels like in my head. You know, I don't trust people as far as I can throw them. And I'm going to tell you a story behind why I do not trust people. I lived in the neighborhood watch area. I'm living in a nice complex. But once again, when I think everybody's a little too friendly, every apartment I moved into in the state of Georgia, I've changed my locks. Why? Because I do not trust people. I don't care who it is. I don't trust you because I've been robbed twice. Not once, but twice since I lived in Georgia. Never been robbed in New York City. Like, something wrong with that picture. But I was living in a neighborhood. Watch, nice neighborhood. You have policemen used to live over there. Robbed twice. How does that happen? Don't know. But me, everywhere I go, I have to change my locks. Yes, granted, I have to give the complex the key. But, hey, we know if something happens, they the ones came in. I'm not saying that they would. But anyway, this is another DIY project I don't trust. I decided to change the locks because the lock I had on previously, it felt like you can just take a card and swipe and it opens. Even though it was a secure lock, I think. So I went to Walmart and I got a doorknob set, and this key entry is a doorknob and deadbolt. So it's a two-piece set. It comes with 3 keys. Of course, I will give one to the complex. It's just a nice complex. So with that being said, I'm gonna just roll to where I started installing this. And if I look a hot mess doing it, I was a hot mess. I had my hair in a ponytail and the little sweat thing here because once again, I had to wrap my stomach so I can sweat off this body fat. Anyway. keys work. This is the doorknob. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara, TaraLoveDiva.tv. So comment, like, and subscribe, and do me a favor. If anyone wants to know how to change their doorknobs and they don't know how, share my video. It's basic. The only hard part was this one here, because where they have the screws, it's kind of hard to screw it in with your screwdriver, but to match it up. No, actually this one was hard. I mean, because if you didn't align it correct, this one here was giving me a headache trying to lock the D. It took me about an hour, but I got it. I got it. I got it. I went to Walmart and I got this key doorknob set. Take two, take two. Whoa, really? I didn't trust it. But anyway, I went to Walmart and I got this lock. Suck it in.